Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 7 of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Sky, in which we were discussing the chapter 7, that is The Little Sunshine. The Little Sunshine. Dear students, in this story there is a girl, that the name of that girl is Little Sunshine, because she was so beautiful that people came from for a long distance to see the beauty of this little girl. And her mother and father used to live near a forest, and they also used to work in the field, and they also tended the cows, domestic animals, for their livelihoods. Dear students, in this chapter we have in this story we have read the page number 58 and 59, and today we will discuss the page number 60 and 61. Yes students, those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Okay students? Yes students, in this story, the mother of Little Sunshine wanted to make her hardworking, industrious. Therefore, she gave her so many works to do. But people love him. The people love her very much. Therefore, when the people saw her while working, they helped her in completing her work. But her mother said to the other people that not to help her, otherwise she will become lazy. Okay, and one day what happened? Her mother gave her some snarl of flaxes to spin. Snarl of flax. And she went in her room, and she was doing her work in the room alone. And in the room he found a little mouse, and it was playing with that girl. And the little mouse also asked for food, for eating something special. But the little girl, Little Sunshine, gave her something to eat her. That is the what? Some threads that is nibbled threads. And after few hours there is a sound. That sound is Little Sunshine. Just see students, last paragraph of the page number 59. Although we have read this, but once again we are going to revise it. The mouse nibbled away gratefully. We got that line? It is given at the page number 59. Okay, last paragraph, last line, last two lines. See, the mouse nibbled away gratefully, but all at once. And whatever the girl, Little Sunshine, offered that mouse, it nibbled. Nibbled means cut and eat. Little Sunshine heard a rat means a light sound, heard a rap at the door, and she also heard a sound, that is the sound of beer. Just see, gruff voice called, let me in. Someone was calling that let me in, because the door of Little Sunshine, in which room she was living, that the door of that room was closed, and someone was calling from the door. What? Let me in. And now just see, turn the page student, page number 60. She hastened. Hastened means hurried. Hastened means hurried. She hastened to open the door. The Little Sunshine moved to the door, hurried to the door to open the door. To open the door. And who should walk in? Who should walk in? But who should walk in? But a great grizzly brown bear. Who should walk in? A great grizzly brown bear. There was at the door Who was there? There was a brown bear. So tall. How was the appearance of that bear? So tall. Fierce. Fierce means dangerous. Fierce means dangerous. How the bear looks like? It looks dangerous. You see. So tall and fierce that he seemed to fill the whole room. It seems that bear can fill the whole room. इतना बड़ा था, ऐसा लग रहा था कि पूरा रूम भर जाएगा. It was so fierce. It was tall and fierce. Fierce means dangerous. Although it was tall, the bear was tall and also looks dangerous. And he seems to fill the whole room. It seems that when he will enter in the room, it will fill the whole room. The bear will fill the whole room. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. I had come to play blindsman buff. Blindsman buff. It is a kind of game. Okay, in your childhood, you have also played blindsman buff, in which one person put a bandage on the eyes, okay, to make blind. Just see, I had to play blindsman buff with you, little sunshine, said the bear. The bear said that I had come here. He had come here to play with the little sunshine. What kind of game? Blindsman buff. Okay, it is a kind of game. ठीक है, एक तरह का गेम होता है जिसमें लोग आंख पे पट्टी बांध के दूसरे को टच करते हैं. ठीक है, just see, I have come to play blindsman buff with you, little sunshine, said the bear. The bear said that he has come there to play with the little sunshine. What kind of game? Blindsman buff. Just see, poor little sunshine. Come to the next paragraph. Poor little sunshine, she was too much afraid to speak. But the grey mouse whispered in her ear, do not be afraid. I will help you, little sunshine. And now, when the little sunshine heard that the bear wanted to play with her, the blindsman buff, at that time she was feeling fear. Just see, the little sunshine, poor little sunshine, she was too much afraid to speak. She was too much afraid to speak. When the bear offered that, when the bear said that he wanted to play blindsman buff with little sunshine, then little sunshine was feeling fear and she was afraid to speak. But the grey mouse whispered in her ear. But the grey mouse, which was already playing with the little sunshine, it is whispered. Whispered means धीरे से बोलना. Whispered in the ear, in her ear. What it whispered? Do not be afraid. The mouse said that don't need to be afraid. डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Don't afraid. Don't be afraid. I will help you, little sunshine. The mouse said that it will help her. It will help little sunshine in the game. Okay, students, I hope that you are understanding the things. Okay, students, if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, just see. So little sunshine tied her apron. Apron means it is a kind of cloth. It is a kind of cloth. Just see. So little sunshine tied her apron. Little sunshine ने क्या किया? अपना apron tight कर दिया किसके? About the bear's eyes. Bear's के eyes पे क्या कर दिया? पट्टी बांध दिया अपने apron से. To blind him. For what? To blind him, so that the bear could not see anything. Okay? It is a kind blindsman buff is a kind of game in which one player will tie the aprons. It is a kind of bandage, you can say, on her or his eyes to make blind. Just see. So little sunshine tied her apron about the bear's eyes to blind him while she was continuing 1, 2, 3. Then after binding, after tied the apron, she counted 1, 2, 3, numbering. And after that, they will run here and there so that the bear could not touch her. Just see. While she was continuing 1, 2, 3, the mouse blew out the fires. The mouse blew out the fires. The fires was blowing there. जल रहा था, उसको क्या किया? Blew out कर दिया. Blew out means बुझाना. The mouse blew out the fire so that it was quite dark. अंधेरा थोड़ा सा हो जाए, in which mouse could not find the little sunshine and the mouse also. You see, the mouse blew out the fire so that it was quite dark, and he hung little string of bells, and he also hung a little string of bells about his neck. वो भी क्या किया? अपने गले में एक घंटी बांध लिया. He motions to little sunshine, and he motioned to little sunshine to hide in the farthest corner. He motioned to the little sunshine in the farthest corner. दूर की कॉर्नर में छिपने के लिए भेज दिया. Of the room, and then began dancing about. And the little mouse started dancing, shaking his bells, while the bear ran after him. When the bear ran after him, he was shaking his bells. This way and that way, nibbled mouse. And sometimes it was so quick, it was running very fast. The mouse was running very fast, sometimes here and sometimes there, so that bear could not catch him. Just see, this way and that went nibbled mouse. Nibbled means quick mouse. It was so quick. Under the chair, sometimes it also hides itself under the chairs. Under the chairs, on the top of the spinning wheel. On the top of the spinning wheel. On the top. Suppose that is your spinning wheel. It is a kind of spinning wheel. On the top of that, their mouse set. Just see. Under the chair, on the top of the spinning wheel, over the tables. And sometimes it also climbed. Also went on the where? Over the table. टेबल के ऊपर भी चला जाता था. And clumsy bear could not put a paws on him. And clumsy means unskilled. It was not perfect in that game. Okay, just see. The clumsy bear could not put a paws on him. And that clumsy bear, that was big in shape. But the bear could not catch him. The bear could not put a paws on him. Bear उसके ऊपर अपना पंजा नहीं रख सका. It grew to be night, and in this way, it grew to the nights. But still they were playing their queer games. But still they were playing their queer game. Queer means odd game. Okay? But still they were playing their queer games. Okay? It was night, but still they were playing that game in the room. There were 3 players: mouse, bear, and the little sunshine. Okay? I will catch you at little sunshine, said the bear. And the bear said that I will catch you, little sunshine. But mouse only shook his bells. And louder and ran faster. Okay, the mouse shook his bells this side, and when the bear moved in that row, in that side, the mouse ran away from there. Okay, in this way, bear was unable to catch the little sunshine as well as the mouse. Okay, just see. His bells louder and ran faster. At last the bear grew quite dizzy. And now at last the bear grew quite dizzy. Dizzy means confused. Where to go, where not to go. How to catch the little sunshine and how to catch the little mouse. With twisting and turning about. He was very much confused in twisting. Twisting means mudne mein, ghumne mein. He was confused that where the little sunshine is and where the mouse is in this game. Because there is a bandage on the eyes of bear. So that mouse so much twisting and turning about, and just as the first daylight came in, and in this way the night passed. Okay, in playing, now they played the whole night, and in this way the night passed. Now just see, daylight came in through the windows, and now the daylight came through the window, and he pulled a bandage from his eyes, and the bear pulled the bandage from his eyes. अपने आंखों से पट्टी हटा दिया, because he is tired. You see, he pulled the bandage from his eyes and cried out. And the bear cried out, enough is enough. Enough, enough. बहुत हो चुका, बहुत हो चुका. Little sunshine, you are the better player than I. Now he accepted, the bear accepted that little sunshine was the best player than bear. Little sunshine was a better player than the bear. Now come to the next paragraph. The mouse ran up the chimney. Now the mouse ran up the chimney, and little sunshine came laughing out of the corner. And now little sunshine came laughing out from the corner. Corner में छिपी थी little sunshine, and she came from there. And just see, and sat down in her spinning wheels again. And she again sat down near the spinning wheels. The bear looked at her sunny faces. Now the bear was looking at her sunny faces, because she was so beautiful. Therefore the bear was looking at her. Although students, it was not a bear. In reality, he was a prince. When you will read the last paragraph, you could understand the things. Just see. The bear looked at her sunny faces, sunny little face, all smiles, dimples, and he said, and the bear was looking the smile of little sunshine, dimples of little sunshine, and he said, what he said? Will you pull me out of my skin, little sunshine? He was asking to the little sunshine to pull off the scales of the bear. क्या कर रहा है कि इस स्किन को हटाओ, पुल ऑफ करो. Oh, I could never do that, said the little sunshine. And little sunshine said that she will not do that. She will not pull out the skin from the bear's body. Just try, said the bear, holding out his paws. And the bear said that you just try. Holding out his paws. Little sunshine pulled and pulled, and now little sunshine pulled the skins of the bear, pulled, and off fell the bear skins. And now the bear skins has been disappeared. She pulled off, and there stood a splendid prince. Splendid means beautiful, handsome. Just see, there stood a splendid prince smiling down at her. And there stood a prince smiling down at her. वहां देखा कि एक प्रिंस क्या है वहां पे. It was not a bear in reality. It was a prince. He was a prince. You are to come home with me, said the prince. Prince said that you are to come home with me. कि उसके साथ उसको घर चलना है उसके. And live in my palace always. And the prince also offered the little sunshine to live in the palace always. Okay? Come to the next paragraph. So little sunshine said goodbye to her father and mother. And after that, the little sunshine said goodbye to her father and mother. Okay? And come to the next paragraph, page number 61. The prince gave them 12 wagon loads of grain. And now the prince gave 12 wagon loads of grain to whom? To the father and mothers of the little sunshine. Okay? And 12 horses. And the prince also gave her parents the 12 horses. This might not be feel bad at losing her. So that they might not feel bad at losing her. यानी कि अपनी बेटी को खोने के बाद उन्हें कोई दुख ना हो, इसलिए उनको क्या किया? 12 वैगन लोड्स ग्रेन दिया एंड 12 हॉर्सेस दिए. ओके. The thick dark forest opened into wide path to let the prince and sunshine through. She went away to be the princess sunshine. And now in this way, thick forest opened into bright path. अब जो thick घना जंगल था वो bright रास्ता बन गया. And to let the prince and sunshine through, to let the prince and little sunshine to go through. And she went away to be the princess sunshine. Now she went there to be the princess sunshine. Now she was in the beginning of the story she was little sunshine. Now at the end of the story she is going to become a princess sunshine. Okay students, come to the last paragraph. The first thing she was to decree means announce. And first thing she did was to decree that all the tabby cats in her kingdom should wear little string of bells about their necks. And he also declared or announced that what? In her kingdom should wear little string of bells in their necks. And the mouse will the tabby cats will also wear what? Little string of bells in her necks. When they played blindsman buff. And when they play blindsman buff with whom? With mice. जब mice के साथ blindsman buff करेंगे, they will also wear the little string of bells. Okay? Well, at every morning she rode through the street in her gold chariot. And every morning she rode through the streets in her golden chariot. Chariot means it is in Hindi we call Rath. Okay? That she might show her sunny face, that she could show her sunny face to all subjects and turn their works into play. And she could show her sunny faces and all the subjects turn their works into play. Okay, so this is all about the story, the little sunshine. In this story, in the beginning of the story, there is a girl whose name is Little Sunshine because she looks so beautiful. People came from far and far away to see the beauty of that Little Sunshine, and her mother and father wanted to make her industrious, and she also used to do so many domestic chores, domestic works. And one day what happened? Her mother gave some works to do alone in her room. And in the room she was playing with a mouse, and after some time there a bear came. Although now they were playing with the bear, the blindsman buff. In the last she knew that it was not a bear in reality, he was a prince. And the prince came there and the prince came in the house of the little sunshine to take the little sunshine in his palace. And the prince also offered 12 bagaloads grains as well as 12 horses to the parents of little sunshine. And now the little sunshine became the princess sunshine. Okay, so this is the story of kids, and you will also try to read it and try to understand it. If you have any kind of doubts in this story or any kind of problem in this story, you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today, and your homework is to write and learn the word meaning of this chapter. Your homework is write and learn the word meaning of this chapter, chapter number 7. Okay, students, in the next class we will discuss the question and answer and exercises given in the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.